Hey folks, it's Mark, and hopefully you're having a great day. And in this quick video, I wanted to show you the affiliate links for Working with the Law program and Magic in Your Mind. So let's go ahead and just dive right in. This is my back office here, so I clicked on the Affiliates tab and I clicked on Working with the Law program overview. This is a really cool program in the sense that you get it from a different angle. Mary Morrissey is another leader in the personal development field. So if you've been studying Bob and some of his material, you'll know who Mary Morrissey is, but she's very well versed in all of this types of material. And she actually got coached by Raymond Hollywell, who was the author of the book Working with the Law. So this is where this program originated from. And within purchasing the program, you'll get it within 15 minutes. And this kind of just goes over the material. So it's all about the laws of the universe. If you're familiar with Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, there's several laws of the universe, like the law of gravity, the law of thinking, the law of attraction, law of supply, vibration, all that sort of thing. This goes into great detail, the 12 actual laws, okay? There's also a 142-page digital print-ready workbook that your customer or person will receive too, okay? These are the affiliate tools, so I'll go ahead and look at some of the swipe copy. So this is, it's very similar to all the other stuff that I've shown you, but if you're big into email marketing or you do social media marketing on, say, Facebook or Instagram or YouTube, it's already done for you. Okay, so you just go ahead and insert your links right there. We also have the promo images. So what's really cool is they'll give you certain images that you can use, and it's not like you're stealing images off the computer or anything like that. So I have it right here. If I wanted to do like a small ad on my website, for example, you could use this. So if you're very well versed in that sort of stuff, if you wanted to do a Facebook ad, there's lots of images here you can use. So you'll get access to all of that. And then a nice sales video. This is from Bob himself.
Many years ago,
okay, so I'll go ahead and just X out of that. And then you've got your two links here. And again, this is all customized to you. So this is a sales page affiliate link. So go ahead and just show you this. Go ahead and copy that. And it's really about just sharing the material, directing people to these links, and then they'll just go through the actual system. So they do all the telling for you. Very professional. You don't have to design like a crazy funnel or anything too wild like that. It's already all done for you, so it's just really plug and play. And this is a direct order form, so that would be like if your prospect is ready to go, you can just send them that, and they can just boom, sign up for it pretty much immediately. So the main offer price on this is $14.95, and it's a 50% commission, so not a bad commission. This is all in US. Again, authors are Bob Proctor and Mary Morrissey, and it's the PGI campus member area, and it's audios and PDFs. Okay, so this is actually a really good program. I've actually studied this program, got some really good results from that. So this is the Working with the Law program. If I go ahead back here to the affiliates tab, I'll show you the 6 minutes to success. Okay, and now this is a more of a junior type of program, so I like to lead with helping my prospect honestly, it's better if you go with one of the larger packages. Just you're going to get way more out of it if you're more of a serious student, and the commissions are way better. It's the same amount of work if you're working with someone on a $2,000 or $3,000 package than it is a $29 or $30 package. But we have something for everyone here. So this particular program is the 6 Minutes to Success, and this will dramatically increase your results in all areas of your life with ease, convenience, and motivation. And you can do this from the comfort of your own home, on a mobile device. And this is lessons from the star of the hit movie, The Secret, Bob Proctor, of course. So we've got an action feature, and basically it's every morning a brand new video on the universal laws, money, health, relationships, and more will be sent to you automatically each and every day. So it's audio and MP3s for individuals on the go, and transcripts so you know exactly what Bob is saying and have the text right in front of you. So it's all about the repetition of reading the material over and over and over again, listening to the messages, reading the messages, and just growing in that sense each and every day, the consistency. So we've got the swipe copy. It's pretty much exactly the same as all the other programs. I can go ahead and show you, but it's specific for each program. So this could be something that you could send on an email or a social media post. Again, it's all there for you, nicely neat and nicely done. And we've got some promo images here. That you can drop. So these are all, if you want to do a Facebook ad or just, I've been actually using these for, are you getting in your own way? Learn more, click now. I've been using them for thumbnails on my YouTube videos, you'll see. So it's not like I'm stealing images off of Google of actual Bob Proctor and his program. Like this is all legitimate. They're giving you images that they feel that you can use. And here's the sales page affiliate link. So I'll go ahead and show you this so you know exactly what you're getting here. Okay. You can try it for just $1 a day. Video from Bob. This is a nice sales funnel. Goes over the stickman graph here. The conscious mind, subconscious mind. Your body is an instrument of the mind. Okay. This is a really good, if you don't have $1 to watch it and check it out, then I don't know what to say to you. It's gonna be a tough go. Main offer price, so it's you get a 2-week trial with the $30 monthly recurring commission. So this could be a good way to offer your clients to get a small residual check. It's all about creating those multiple sources of income. And your commission rate is $100 on recurring 6-month subscription charges. Okay? And there's no commission on the actual trial. So this is anyone and everyone really looking to improve their life. The authors are Bob Proctor and Sandy Gallagher, and it's a media course here. Okay, so hopefully you got a little bit of value on this particular video. I'm going to be doing some more videos on each of the actual programs. I just want to keep these videos short, condensed. I'm going to leave the links in the description. My phone number is also in the description if you want to reach out. I've been having some people reach out to me wanting to diversify their portfolio and create other income streams, and I can definitely help you out with that and show you how to rank stuff on YouTube and kind of plug you into my mastermind and some of the things that I'm doing that's working for me. So come on and reach out to me. Like this video, subscribe to me. I'm going to be putting out more valuable content, and hit that little bell notification so you don't miss any of my videos. Have yourself a great day, and I'll talk to you very soon. Bye for now.